guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing, and let's get started with today's video. Today's video is going to be this makeup look you see here. I wanted to do a Thanksgiving inspired makeup look with a bit of glam to it, and I think I definitely achieved that today. I'm very happy with how this look turned out. I think it's very beautiful, very glam, very sultry, and definitely wearable. So if you guys want to see how to get this look, just keep watching. It is cold in my house. It is cold in my house. First, I'm going to use my Mario Badescu. Super coat my face. The next thing I'm going to do is prime my eyes. I used Instant Age Rewind from Maybelline. Just gonna crazily put it all over my eyes. Buff it out with a brush. I'm going to take my Maybelline Superstay Better Skin Powder, and I am just going to set my concealer in the eyelid so there's no creasing. And that is how I prime my eyes. So for my Thanksgiving-y look, I wanted to use Too Faced liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the color Lemon Zest. It's just a really pretty shimmery gold. Of course, I'm going to take my James Charles palette. We are going to probably just start with any of the base colors. I tend to use this one. Pretty much is the only one I use from this palette, so we'll go ahead and start with this color. Just put it into the crease. It still have a really natural look to it. Next, I'm gonna go in with the orange. I'm gonna go in with this orange first. So I'm just gonna buff that color into my crease. Bottom and top area, just that outer corner. Now I'm just adding it to the inner corner as well and kind of blending it into the crease, making sure that color is really in there. Now the same for the other side. Looks a little burgundy on the outer corner. I wonder, there might have been something left on my brush, but it's cute. So we are going to go in with a mix of this color and this orange, and we are going to slightly buff out that first color we put down and make it blend seamlessly to the top. With the inner crease, inner corner. I'm just gonna pick up this yellow that's in the palette and really blend it upwards. Again, just blend. Just to blend everything together. I like that the outer corner turned into a almost burgundy color. It's cute. So I'm gonna try and add pink and red to make it a bit more burgundy. Just stick with those fall colors. I feel like I need to re-add a bit more brown. So we're gonna go ahead and dip into the Too Faced liquid eyeshadow in Lemon Zest. We're gonna pop that in the middle of our eyelids. It's the first time I've used this ever, so I'm hoping it'll be good. But this one looks like it's doing a really good job. Gonna kind of do like a half a circle shape. Okay, I think that looks good right now. So I'm gonna go back, take the colors that I was working with, and kind of just blend them together into the glitter. Probably just tapping motions. I feel like I have to work really hard to blend it in. Work hard, but not too hard, so that's a plus. I'm gonna take a baby wipe and wipe the glitter off my face because it likes to stick there, and I feel like right now I'm constantly cleaning up the glitter. All right, we shall move on. I shall do the rest of my makeup and we will be right back. Okay, I'm finished with my makeup. So the last thing we need to do is finish under the eyes. So let's get to that. I'm going to take the burgundy shade and put that under the eye first. Then I'm going to take the brownish shade that we used, smoke it out a little. I'm gonna bring that pop of orange, the darker orange that we very first started with, and put it in our corner. I just took a mixture of this color, this color, this color, put it into my inner corner. I think it's really pretty. It adds that nice flare. I also like, whenever I do my inner corners, I like to bring the inner corner to round the shape of my eyelid as well, because it kind of just, it's like a beautiful effect to it, and I just like the way it looks. So that's what I do when I usually do my inner corners, and I think it just blends a bit better. That's my preference, it doesn't have to be yours, but I think this is our complete look. I'm actually really pleased about how the eyes came out. Wait, I didn't do eyeliner or mascara or lashes, and that's what I was gonna do. So I lied. Let's keep going. For my eyeliner, I'm gonna use Stila's eyeliner. Let's try, see if it works. Well, that's not too bad. Looks pretty similar, I'm happy. Just gonna be using Ulta Beauty's Plush Gemma Volumizing Mascara. I got this in a little gift set and I actually really like it. It's really like, it's got a gel consistency, which most people may not like, but I kind of like it because it elongates my lashes, but doesn't clump them up together too bad, because I usually like mascaras that give me that super natural, very thin coating. And then for the cake topper, I am going to be taking my Ardell Wispies. These are foam ink ones. So far, these have been my favorite. I wore the other pair probably 7 times, and for me, that's pretty freaking amazing because I'm not the greatest at wearing fake lashes. I'm just starting to get into them, but I'm very excited to put these on right now. I'm going to be taking the Duo Glue. Get it at Walmart. Please stay on and look beautiful. All right, here we go. Girl, that's not even on. How? After I was just saying I did really good. Wait a second, wait a second. Because I think it worked. And I think I still did okay. Ooh, I feel like I look so good today. We're gonna go ahead and do the other one. You guys should keep these to re-put your lashes on to keep the shape of the lash once you're done cleaning them. That's how I keep my shape. Let's see. I believe the smaller mirror is definitely going to help if you struggle a little bit with lashes like me. I think I got glue on my contact. Guys, here's the completed look. This is a beautiful look. Just kidding, I was trying to be a YouTuber, but I don't know how they do it. I feel like I do stupid poses. This is the completed look. I really like it. I didn't think I was gonna come up with something this cool. It looks like fall and it's glam. I didn't put a lip on. Should I put a lip on? This is from Dollar Tree too. Let's try orange. Ooh. I like how I started down here and then just randomly went up here. I kind of like it. Let me look again. I like it. Okay, for real this time, this is the final look. I love it. I put on my lashes correctly, which I'm very proud of, but I'm also proud because I made this look. I didn't copy off of anyone or dupe another look. This was me And I'm really proud. I really like this look. I wish that I would have done it on Thanksgiving so everybody could see, but I'll have to try and recreate it because I will. This is definitely going to be my Thanksgiving look. It is like a nice Thanksgiving glam sultry look. Oh my gosh. I wish I had somewhere to go today, but anyway guys, if you had fun, if you like this tutorial, if you like this look, please give my video a thumbs up because that really helps me in my YouTube journey. That lets me know what you guys like. Please subscribe to my channel because I love doing makeup looks, makeup tutorials. If you guys want to see something, definitely request it. I'm super open to requests. But that's all for now, so thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!